Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Gather tools, a 10mm wrench, flat screwdriver, pair of gloves, and an H11 fog bulb for most Audi A4 models. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch the ignition off. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to prevent short circuits. Work in bright daylight or under a lamp. Allow the engine and lights to cool for at least 15 minutes before opening the fog light housing. Keep the new bulb in its box to avoid skin oils. Turn the front wheel away from the side you are working on to expose the inner wheel well. This gives 3 to 4 inches more room. Use a flat screwdriver to remove 3 plastic clips or carefully pry off the small trim panel. Keep clips in a container so you don't lose them. Reach behind the fog light housing, unplug the wiring harness, then press the tab, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise, and pull the old H11 bulb straight out. Inspect the connector for corrosion. Handle the new H11 bulb by its plastic base or a clean cloth. Do not touch the glass with bare fingers because oils shorten lamp life. Insert the bulb into the housing, align the tabs, then twist the socket clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness and ensure it clicks. Reinstall trim clips and tighten any 10mm screws you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, switch on the fog lights, and verify beam alignment and function within 1 minute. Adjust if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.